that's all we need. Yarn and 3.5 crochet hook and scissors. Any scissors that can help you to cut the yarn. And it's very simple, guys. All you need to do first is a slip knot. This one is very easy. I just use it like this, and I'm comfortable to use the slip knot like that rather than using the crochet hook. Now we have slip knots, and let's chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the first chain that we made, and try to hide the tail so it's easy for you later. No need to hide it anymore or to sew it. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another 3 more, total of 6. 4, 5, 6, and then ready for the double crochet. 1 double crochet on the center. Just insert the hook and fold through to get the double crochet. That's it. So we already have 1 hole. So another one, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet in the center. Yes, that's it. Just try this one for 6 more to the total of 8, because we already 1 and 2, so we need 6 more. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet. We'll be back after I finish it. So right now I have to close the first row or round 1, you need to slip stitch to the third chain that you made, the first one. 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch, and then insert your hook with this hole and single crochet. Yes, that's it. You already have 8 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it right. 8 holes, and then 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and then 4 more double crochet for this hole. The same hole or the same hole in between of the 2, chain 3 in the first row. So I got that. Now we have 5. This one, chain 3, is like our first double crochet. So we count at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 counts and 1 hole. Same thing, do this same stitch on the second hole. Yes, now it's 5 double crochet in the second hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same pattern, the same stitch on the next 6 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it on the 6th hole. Now to finish the round 2, you have to slip stitch on the same here, the third chain that you made for the second round. Yes, here, slip stitch, and then single crochet to the first hole or stitch, single crochet, and then make chain 6 or 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for round 3, and this is the last round. So you have 6 and single crochet on the second stitch. 1, 2, single crochet, and then half double crochet to the next one, to the next stitch, And then to the third chain or third stitch, you have to make 1 double crochet. On the fourth stitch, you have to make a triple crochet. Just get the yarn 2 times, insert the hook in the stitch, and pull through 3 times. And then double triple crochet for the last chain. Yes, for the last chain, get the yarn 3 times and insert the hook here, get the yarn 4, pull through 4 times, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, it's done. And you need to count 1 to 5 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here, you need to insert your hook and single crochet. And then chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And single crochet through the second stitch and half double crochet to the next one. Double crochet to the third one and triple crochet to the fourth one and triple double crochet 3 times. Get the yarn 3 times to the fifth chain or fifth stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's so easy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, you need to insert your hook on that stitch and single crochet. Do the same process or stitch or procedure to the next 6 side for your Christmas ornament. Okay, so here we go for our last stitch. All you need to do is slip stitch beside the first one. Here, slip stitch. Here, what I mean here. Slip stitch 2 times, secure, and cut the yarn. This one. And then after cut the yarn, hide the tail of the yarn as much as possible. This is so quick, guys, and it's very, very easy. Beginner can do this as long as they follow the instruction. And here our finished crochet Christmas ornament. Give me thumbs up, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you want to have handle or can hold your ornaments, just cut a yarn and tight it. Yes, and you can do it wherever you want to put it. So here, I think I will put in here, and it's up to you if you want to crochet also the handle or the, and you can hide this one if you want also the tail. Yeah. That's it. This is our Christmas ornament. You can do this as a blanket also, this pattern, or curtains, window curtains. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please follow my page also, my Facebook page and other channel. And please, if you do have comments or something, just write it comment section and let me know your suggestion or comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.